Boys, this is History 2, the world between two world wars. Introduction. In this lesson, we are going to see about global capitalist system, fascism in Italy and Germany, anti-colonial movements in Asia, decolonization process in Asia, anti-colonial movements in Africa, political developments in South America. The Great Depression, development in the post-World War I. The industries that grew to meet wartime requirements had to be abandoned or modified. Industries that grew up to meet wartime requirements. Meaning of requirements is needs. The industries need to meet the wartime needs. Then many of the workers lost their jobs. The war also placed a heavy burden of debt on every European countries. Debt is nothing but that countries borrowed money from some other country, so the huge amount of debt they had. Stock market crash in the US. The first huge crash occurred on 24th October 1929. When did the first huge crash occur? In the year of 1929. This discouraged investors and consumers to sell their shares and dispose of their stocks. So, all the investors and consumers started to sell their shares. The American financiers were forced to recall their own funds invested abroad. The American financiers were forced to recall means retreat their own funds. Funds means money. Retreat their own money invested which is in abroad. Breakdown of the international system of exchange. Despite emergency measures such as cutbacks in expenditure and increased taxation, the situation did not improve in England. This critical situation did not improve in England, so England decided to leave the gold standard. So England started leaving their gold standard. Gold standard is nothing but paper carried a value directly linked to gold. This gold standard is nothing but one paper carried a value of money directly linked to gold. Each nation adopted a policy of protectionism and devaluation of currency. Devaluation is nothing but decrease in the value of country currency. Devaluation is nothing but decrease in the value of country's currency. Thus, by various nations to safeguard their economic interests led to an very huge decline in the world economic activity. So, our world also started to leading a economic activity. As its effect was deep and prolonged, economists and historians call it the Great Depression. So, our historians named it as a Great Depression. Repercussion in politics. Repercussion is nothing but unrelated events is called repercussion. The depression changed the political conditions in several countries. In England, the Labour Party was defeated in the general election of 1931. In 1931, Labour Party was defeated. In the USA, the Republican Party was rejected. But in the USA, which party was rejected? Republican Party was rejected by the people in successive elections for about 20 years after the depression. Rise of fascism and Nazism. Fascism is nothing but dictator has a complete power. Nazism is nothing but political beliefs associated with the Nazi Party of Germany. The impact of war in Italy. The financial cost of the participation in the war was very huge. The cost of the participation to this war was very huge, very big amount. In the sharing of the spoils, Italy got less than she expected. Italy lost huge amount of money in this war. The war resulted in inflation, there were frequent protests and strikes. There were many strikes happened in Italy. Emergence of Mussolini. Benito Mussolini, son of a blacksmith, qualified as an elementary school master and also a great speaker. The Fascist Party was founded in the year of 1919. Mussolini immediately joined it. Very first Fascist Party was founded in the year of 1919. Immediately Mussolini joined that Fascist Party. In October 1922, in the context of a long ministerial crisis, Mussolini organized the Fascist March on Rome. In the year of 1919, Mussolini joined in the Fascist Party. In the year of 1922, Mussolini marched on Rome. Impressed by the show of force, the king invited Mussolini to form a government. By seeing the willingness of Mussolini, king invited Mussolini to form a government. Fascist under Mussolini. In the 1924 elections, 65% of the voters were cast their vote for the fascist. So 65% members vote for Fascist Party, that means Mussolini Party. Matteotti, a socialist leader who questioned the fairness of the election, was murdered. Matteotti is nothing but one person name. He asked one question about the fairness of the election, but afterwards he was murdered. The opposition parties boycotted the parliament in protest. The opposition parties boycotted means didn't join to the parliament. Mussolini reacted by banning opposition parties. Mussolini's pact with Pope. In order to give respectability to the Fascist Party, Mussolini won over the Roman Catholic Church by recognizing the Vatican City as an independent state. The Roman Catholic faith was made the religion of Italy and compulsory religious teaching in school was ordered. Due to the relationship with Pope in Italy, Roman Catholic faith was made the religion of Italy, and in schools also students must learn about Christianity. The Lateran Treaty was signed in 1929. Between Pope and Mussolini, one treaty was signed in the year of 1929. The treaty name was Lateran Treaty. Italy during the Great Depression. During the years of the Great Depression, the much publicized public works of building new bridges, roads and canals, hospitals, schools did not provide solution to the unemployment problem. Many buildings built in that time, but these all buildings did not give any solution for the unemployment labors. In 1935, Mussolini invaded Ethiopia. This was useful to divert attention of the people away from the economic troubles. At that time, people met many economic troubles, so Mussolini wanted to redirect the people. So, for this purpose, Mussolini invaded Ethiopia in the year of 1935. Germany in the post-World War. From 1918 to 1993, Germany was a republic. Between 1871 and 1914, Germany had risen to dizzy heights of economic, political and cultural events. Dizzy means very highest. Germany had surpassed even Britain and the US in several fields of industrial production. This is nothing but Germany developed so much and also it passed over Britain and US. Germany's defeat and humiliation at the end of the World War I caused a deep shock to the German people. But in the World War I, what happened? Germany was defeated. It was a very huge shock to the German people. Evolution of German fascism. The origin of German fascism goes back to 1919 when a group of 7 men met in Munich and founded the National Socialist German Workers' Party. One of them was Adolf Hitler. During World War I, he served in the Bavarian army. In 1999, National Socialist Germany Workers' Party founded. The founder was Adolf Hitler. During the World War I, he served in the Bavarian army. He joined in the Bavarian army. In 1923, Hitler attempted to capture power in Bavaria. His launch of the National Revolution on the outskirts of Munich landed him in prison. During his time in prison, he wrote Mein Kampf. Boys, this is very important. 2 mark and 1 mark both. Okay. Mein Kampf means my struggle. So in the years he spent in prison, he wrote one biography, that is Mein Kampf, that is my struggle. This is an autobiography. What is meaning of autobiography? Hitler wrote one book by himself, that is called autobiography. The Nazi state of Hitler. Republican government fell as the communists refused to collaborate with the Social Democrats. Due to the falling of Republican government, communists refused to join with Social Democrats. Bankers, industrialists, along with President Hindenburg, decided to elect Hitler as a chancellor in the year of 1933. Chancellor is nothing but head, leader. The Nazi state of Hitler, known as the Third Reich, brought an end to the parliamentary democracy. After the coming of Hitler, parliamentary democracy came to an end. The Nazi Party propaganda. The Nazi Party's propaganda was led by Joseph Goebbels, who manipulated public opinion through planned propaganda. The Gestapo or secret state police was formed, run by Himmler. Hitler also has a secret police. That police name was Gestapo. Nazi Party towards Jews. Hitler's government followed a policy of repressing Jewish people. The Jews were removed from government positions, excluded from the universities and deprived of citizenship. The Jews didn't get any policies and schemes from the government, that is government positions, and they didn't join in universities, they didn't get any citizenship because Hitler hated with Jewish people. Defiance of the Treaty of Versailles. In August 1934, Hindenburg died and Hitler, apart from being chancellor, became both president and commander-in-chief. After the death of Hindenburg in 1934, Hitler himself became the president and commander-in-chief of armed force, that is army forces. Anti-colonial movements and decolonization process in Asia. French Indochina, rise of anti-colonization. During the First World War, about 1 lakh Indo-Chinese fought in France and returned with first-hand knowledge of how the French had fought and suffered during the war. So, during the First World War, many Indo-Chinese people fought in France. How many Indo-Chinese people? 1 lakh Indo-Chinese people fought in France. Communist ideas from mainland China were also a major influence. What was the another major influence? Communist ideas from mainland of China. At that time, China got many communist ideas from the mainland, that means from that country, own country, China. Many became convinced that the considerable wealth of Indochina was benefiting only the colonial power. China got more colonial power, many of them thinking that this considerable wealth was the reason for the China to get more colonies. The emergence of Viet Minh. The mainstream political party in Indochina was the Vietnam Nationalist Party that is formed in 1927. It was composed of the wealthy and middle class sections of the population. In 1929, the Vietnamese soldiers mutinied. Mutiny means fought, and there was a failed attempt to assassinate the French Governor General. Assassinate means murdered. This was followed by a large scale peasant revolt led by the communists. Afterwards, large scale of peasant revolt started. The revolt was crushed, followed by what is called White Terror. This revolt was called by White Terror. Boys, this is also the very important 2-mark question. White Terror. Decolonization in India, diarchy in the provinces. The decolonization process started in India from the beginning of the 20th century with the launch of the Swadeshi movement in the year of 1905. The outbreak of the First World War brought about rapid political as well as economic changes. So after the outbreak of First World War, there was many changes in political and economical. In 1919, the Government of India Act introduced diarchy that provided for elected provincial assemblies as well as for Indian ministers. Diarchy means nothing but two. That is for what purpose? In assemblies and Indian ministers. Lack of measures to industrialize India. Despite the discriminating protection given to certain select industries such as sugar, cement and chemical, there was no change in the colonial economic policy. Discriminating means differences. So after that, there was no colonial economical policy. Indigenous industries support was only in the form of providing technical advice. Some indigenous industries, indigenous means local industries, supports only the form of providing technical advice and education. They only provided technical advice and education. And the establishment of pioneer factories in the new industry. So this is the main reason for creating some more new industries. Impact of depression on Indian agriculture. The Great Depression also dealt a death blow to Indian agriculture. The value of farm produce declined by half. The value of farm produce means land produce declined by half, reduced by half. While the land rent to be paid by the peasant remained unchanged, but the land rent paid by the peasants remained unchanged. There is no change in payment of the peasants for the land. In the terms of prices of agricultural commodities, the farmers complained that they had to pay double amount of tax. The great fall in the prices prompted Indian nationalists to demand protection for the internal economy. So our politician started the protection for the internal economy. Internal means nothing but within the country. Government of India Act 1935. The British had to appease the Indian nationalists and the outcome was the passage of the Government of India Act 1935. This provided for greater power to the local governments and introduction of direct elections. So after the Government of India Act of 1935, direct elections started in India. However, the decision of Britain to involve India in the Second World War. So what was the thinking of Britain? Britain wanted to involve India in the Second World War, but Britain didn't consult any Indian Congress ministers. So all Congress ministers forced to later to resign from the office. So they gave their resignation letter from the office. Anti-colonial movements in Africa. Colonization in Africa. The African coastline had been explored in the 16th century and a few European settlements had come about. The African coastline, that is sea place, okay, sea place explored, invented in the year of 16th century. The Berlin Colonial Conference of 1884 and 85 resolved that Africa should be divided into two spheres of influence of various colonial powers. So what was the decision making in the year of 1844 and 85? Africa had to divide two spheres, two parts. Boer Wars. The relations between the two British colonies of Natal and Cape Colony and the two independent Boer states of the Transvaal and the Orange Free State had long been unfriendly. There is nothing but some bad relationship going on between these two states. The discovery of gold in Transvaal in 1886 led to large numbers of British miners settling in and around Johannesburg. In 1886, gold was first invented in the place of transport. After that, large number of British miners settled in the place of Johannesburg. The Boers taxed them heavily apart from political rights. But the Boers did what? They collected huge amount of tax from the American miners. Nationalist politics in South Africa. And there were two main political parties. The Unionist Party, which was mainly British, that is headed by Smuts, and the South Africa Party, which had largely Afrikaners. The first Prime Minister, Botha, belonged to the South Africa Party, ruled in cooperation with the British. Who was the first Prime Minister? Botha. He ruled cooperation with the British, but a militant section of the South Africa Party formed the National Party under Hertzog. But the militant section formed a party called National Party. It was headed over by Hertzog. At this juncture, the British dominated Unionist Party merged with the South African Party. British told what? Unionist Party must join with the South African Party. This gave Smuts a majority over the militant Afrikaner controlled National Party. Smut is nothing but one person name. So this gave Smut a majority vote and he won the election. Racist policy against the blacks. Already an act of 1913 had segregated means separation, black and white farmers, which made it impossible for the blacks to acquire land. So what is the act of 1913? Blacks didn't get any land. This is the policy of 1913 policy. Political developments in South America. Before the European discovery of America, three centers of civilization existed there in Mexico, in Central America, and Peru in South America. The Maya, the Inca, and the Aztec civilization were highly advanced. Three major civilizations created, that is Maya, Inca, and Aztec civilization. There were several states in each of these areas of civilizations. Aztec from Mexico conquered the Maya country in the 14th century. But the Aztecs conquered Maya country. For nearly 203 years, Aztecs ruled their empire. Nearly 203 years, this Aztec ruled Maya country. European colonization and its impact. In the 16th century, when the Aztecs were the height of their power, the whole empire collapsed before a handful of adventurers led by Spaniard named Hernan Cortes. After the 16th century, Spaniard invaded this place, that is Aztecs. The other famous conqueror was also a Spaniard by name Francisco. Two Spaniard empires invaded this Aztec place. First one is Hernan, second one is Francisco. Later the Spaniards made Peru a part of their dominions. After that, these Spaniards made Peru as a part of the dominions. Dominions means part, place. Impact of Napoleonic invasion of Spain and Portugal. The American and French revolutions provide inspiration to the Latin Americans. The Napoleonic invasion of Spain and Portugal in 1808 quickened the process of liberation struggle in South America. Napoleonic invasion is nothing but Napoleon invaded that place in the year of 1808. Already the spirit of independence was growing under the leadership of Simon, called the Liberator. Already one ruler was there. His name was Simon. The Monroe Doctrine. The fight for independence intensified when Napoleon fell in 1815. After the falling of Napoleon in the year of 1815, the fight started, but Monroe, the president of USA, came up with his famous Monroe Doctrine. So after that, Monroe, the president of USA, came up with Monroe Doctrine. Declared that if Europeans interfered anywhere in America, north or south, it would amount to waging a war against the United States. If America interferes, European problem it would amount the huge amount of war against the United States. European started warring against America. Disunity among Latin American nationalists. Latin American nationalists fought not only Spain and Portugal but also each other. These Latin American fought not only Spain and Portugal but they started fighting with each other. In 1821, Central America separated from Mexico. Later, Central America itself split into 5 republics. After that, Central America splitted into 5 republics. US imperial interest. At the dawn of the 20th century, the United States had occupied Cuba. After defeating the Spanish in 1898, United States occupied Cuba after 1898. Cuba was under US military rule. Roosevelt made an important amendment in 1904. After effecting this amendment, the US became the dominant influence not only politically but also in economics. Afterwards, US emerging a political and economic domination country. Great Depression in South America. In Mexico, there was violent social protest involving dissatisfied segments of the oligarchy, middle class and peasant communities. There were one fight arose between oligarchy, that is high class, and middle class and peasant communities. Peasant mean nothing but common people. Latin America protested American intervention and disliked their dollar imperialism. But Latin America didn't like US dollar imperialism. The opposition to political intervention produced a change in US policy after 1933. But there was some change in US policy after 1933. Franklin Roosevelt, in his good neighbor policy, agreed that the US would not intervene in the international affairs. Franklin Roosevelt introduced one policy. That policy name was Good Neighbor, and would give economic and technical assistance to Latin America. US must give economic and technical assistance to Latin America. This is the main aim of the Good Neighbor policy. Thank you.